Come on, tap, tap, tap. Get a bit of speed up, we get over that quicker. Hence the speed. Whoa, see, it's easier when it's faster. Yeah, perfect, it's right. Brings you. So we're sending Adam to prison because this island is called Prison Ireland. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I like jungle. You like jungle? Okay, we keep going then. I don't know where I'm going. This is following the flow of the river. It's all a bit wild in here, boys and girls. Oh, that tree over our heads. Shiny blimey. I hope you enjoyed that adventure today because we've done something spectacular. Thanks for watching, boys and girls. See y'all later.